We stay to work it out till everything's forgotten. I know some of you hate that. In or out, in or out, or in or out, in or out, or in. This time when you fight, UK threatened with divorce. Stay together for the kids or be a single mom. I love EU for our rights. The week's not yet begun.
Because I could be on paid annual leave right now on an island in the sun off of the Mediterranean coast. It's always a doddle to get there, cheap flights, no hassle at immigration, no concern about free medical attention because I've got an e-hit card. Yes, Brexit would cast doubts on our ties with the European Economic Area too.
And everything is quiet, and it's always you and me, always and forever. You and me, always and forever. In or out or in, it was always you and me, always. Dave, you say we should remain, and I'm with you on that, but not very convincing. You fail to represent. Then we watch TV, David Dimbleby, so very exciting, but it's EU with UK, and we'll be okay. We'll be together, EU and me, always and forever. In or out or in, it was always you and me, always and forever. You and me, always and forever. In or out or in or in or in or in or in.
Vote in! How should we end it?
We haven't voted yet, but we're gonna.
We are. It's nearly 12 o'clock and we have just finished recording this song for you and we're going to go vote now and we are most definitely voting in.
But not before we upload this.
Yeah.
So share, enjoy, and yeah.
Thanks for watching.
Vote in.
Vote in.